Hi everyone, welcome. Today in the additional of today's newspaper of Tuesday, yes, Tuesday, December the 29th, 2020. We have here in this additional, wow, time will be, time's fast. Yes, let me continue. In this additional, we have here 8 extra Sudokus. Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, 1 tectonic, 1 binary number 2, and a tectonic with 4 stars. Total of 8 extra Sudokus, and I won't do them all, only 4 of them. I will solve 4 of the Sudokus. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. And yesterday, the publisher has published the Sudokus with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, with all of them with 25 printed digits. Let me check. Usually the 3 stars has 25. And I will do the 3 stars, the 4 stars, a tectonic with 4 stars, and a binary. I will do or solve. Yeah, this 3 stars will be number 2078. Yes. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 3, 4. Together will be 7, plus 3 is 10, 11, plus 3 is 14, plus 3 is 17, plus 3 is 20, 22, plus 3 is 25. Correct, as expected. But I'm curious for the 1 star. Yes. 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 4 is 11, plus 2 is 13, plus 3 is 16, plus 3 is 19, 20, 22, again 25 printed digits. Let me do the second Sudoku, a 2-star Sudoku. 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 2 is equal to 8, plus 2 is 10, 12, 14, plus 3 is 17, plus 3 is 20, 25. Again, the publisher has chosen for all of the Sudokus with 25 printed digits. And let me count the 4 stars. Usually 24 printed digits, but I guess this time also 25. Let me see. 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 2 is 7, plus 3 is 10, plus 4 is 14, plus 2 is 16, plus 3 is 19, plus 3 is 22, plus 3, yes, I'm right, 25 printed digits. All right, so let's get back to the 3 stars Sudoku. So all of them has 25 printed digits. So I cannot tell you which Sudoku is easier than the other. Let me see with this 3 stars Sudoku. A 4-star Sudoku I need more than 30 minutes to solve, but let me see this one. A 3-star Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. Let me see. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5 in this big square, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And then 8 in this row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, only place for the 8 should be there. 5 missing numbers now in this row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 7. We have the 6 and the 7 in this big square, so no 6 and the 7 in those 3 boxes. The 6 and the 7 goes in these 2 boxes. We see there 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. These 3 numbers should be the 1, the 3, and the 4. 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. In this row, we see here 4 and the 3. So no 4 and the 3 in this box. The 4 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this row for the number 1. And then let me see, these 2 numbers in this column should be the 1 and the 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And then in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. There 1, no 1 in those 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here or there. Yes. So we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 1 in that row, so there will be 3. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in that box. So the 8 could be here or could be there. So we have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. We have an 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And then. I cannot continue with that. Well. No, I cannot continue with 8. Yes, 4 missing numbers in the big square. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. There 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below, so in the last row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column, so in the column next, the third column, only place for a 6 should be here. 6 in this third row, 6 in the first row, so in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, all right. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3, should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. 2 and 7, we see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in the middle row. Those numbers are the 8 and the 5. 8 and the 5. We have a 5 here. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. And I have eliminated one of the 8s, I believe. One of the dots are gone. So this should be an 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for an 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 8, yes. 2 numbers left in this big square. The numbers 2 and 9, 2 and 9, 2 and 9 are missing. We see here 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. One number left in this column for the number 5, I believe. Yes, 5 is missing. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. 2 and 9. We have a 9 there, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Let me see. Yes. 3 missing numbers in the last column. Those numbers are the 4, the 3, and the 2 is missing. Yes. 2, 4, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Yes, 2, 3, 4. We see here 2 and a 3 here. So no 2 and a 3 in this box. So one digit left should be the 4. The 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. One number left in this big square for the number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So on the first row, only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the... Oh, missing a 5 here. Yes. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 5. So the 5s are completed, yes. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Yes, completed. Alright. Let me see, which number can I pick? How about these 2 numbers in the first row? Those missing numbers are the 2 and the 9. We see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And then 9 in this row, 9 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And then let me see. How about those 2 numbers in this row for the numbers 1 and 7? We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 4. 2 numbers left in the middle column for the numbers 1 and 4. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 9. 3 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this last row for the number 3. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 3 should be there. One number left in this row for the number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 number left in the first column for the number 7. 1 number left in this big square for the number 7. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and 2 goes there. 1 number left in this third column for the number 2, and the final number of this big square for the number 4. Yes, it's finished in 50 minutes. All right. I like this Sudoku with 3 stars. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the second Sudoku with 4 stars in this additional, and also with 25 printed digits. So is it easier than this one or much more difficult than this one? Yes. So see you later. Bye bye for now.